What is Python? Have you ever wondered how we actually tell a computer what to do? A computer can perform incredibly complicated tasks, but there's one problem. It does not understand instructions the same way humans do. We need a programming language. And one of the most popular programming languages in the world is Python. So, what exactly is Python? Python is a programming language that allows us to give instructions to a computer. We write those instructions using something called code. The computer then follows those instructions and produces a result. But how does this actually work? Imagine that you write a simple Python instruction. For example, print. First, you write the Python code. Then Python uses something called an interpreter. The interpreter reads your code and tells the computer what it needs to do. Finally, the computer executes the instruction and gives you an output. So the process looks like this. You write the code, Python interprets it, and the computer produces the result. Now let's write our very first Python program. We write print. The word print is a Python function. For now, you can think of it as an instruction that tells Python, show this on the screen. Inside the parentheses, we write hello world. Notice the quotation marks. They tell Python that hello world is text. When Python executes this instruction, the computer displays hello world. Congratulations! You have just understood your first Python program. Now let's try a quick challenge. Look at this code. Print. Before I show you the answer, what do you think Python will display? 2, 1. The answer is, I can learn Python. Exactly. Python displays the text that we placed inside the quotation marks. And this simple idea is the beginning of something much bigger. Python can be used for artificial intelligence and machine learning. It can be used to analyze data and create visualizations. It can be used to build web applications. And it can automate repetitive tasks. One programming language can take you in many different directions. So let's recap what we learned. First, Python is a programming language. Second, we use Python code to give instructions to a computer. Third, the Python interpreter reads and executes those instructions. And finally, the print function allows us to display information on the screen. And that's only the beginning. In the next episode, we will start writing real Python programs and learn how Python code actually works.